Open that one too. Let's see
Merry
if that
Christmas,
is
Josie.
more. Whoa. It's a purple.
What is it?
It's a lovely scooter. See?
Well, I'm glad you think it's lovely, Jacob.
No, I don't think it's lovely, but it's called a lovely scooter.
Okay, gonna open that one.
It's pretty.
What?
That's pretty.
This is the top. That's how it goes. There's Sissy.
A telephone.
To Pilar. This is yours.
Oh, okay. I think that's to make it go with.
Yeah, that's not a telephone, Sissy.
Jacob, take your mask out.
Oh,
Off.
I think this is
say
yours,
ho ho
Dad.
ho, Joseph. Say ho ho ho.
What's that?
What's this? I don't know. It feels like glass.
Leave it there.
It feels like there's wire or something in it. See the lid?
Maybe not.
Wait.
To see what you got.
Button pops up. Lid. Hey. I think this is Joseph's again. Yep, this is Joseph's.
Okay, put it with the collection.
Hey, that one's bigger.
Who was that?
What?
Oh, were you talking to somebody else when I came out? I heard you say
Is that yours? Wow.
Joseph liked it too. Put it on.
Hurry, Isaac, you're gonna miss out.
It fits you.
Do you like it,
When I came
Susan?
out, you were saying something like, I assume, and I assume Greg's okay, but I guess you were asking her rather than communicating the news to somebody else.
Susie, this is yours. Susie, you got a hat.
Yeah, I was asking her if Greg was okay.
Susie, this is yours. Susie got another present.
Wow, Susie. Let's put yours right here. Where's Susie?
Susie, that's not a hat, that's a helmet.
Or
So
is
when
this
you're going,
Susie's pile right here?
that's Isaac's.
Oh.
This is both of them. That's fine. This is mine.
Oh, right.
That's it. When you
Oh,
get
yeah,
dressed,
some clothes
when
on,
you're
something
gay-
on, Isaac.
Pilar,
That says Susie.
this feels weird.
Just leave it in there so I can don't bring it here because I don't want it. I want it in the video.
Says the baby's doing fine. You know, she's back up to birth weight now. Hi, you guys. They're hoping to get her to take her home by the first of the year.
Alicia.
After the first of the year.
Leave it there because I want to take video and I don't think she wants it.
Sí. No abres. Ahora, no abres. Susie's turn. Here for me.
What's
I
that?
love that. That's big though.
You need some help? Oh, wow. Should we open it? Yeah. Okay. Let's open it right here.
What's that, Jacob?
That's a
All right.
Oh my
It's got little extra pair of panties.
cute. Show me, Susie. Show me, Susie. I want to see your doll.
yeah, this is the one with the toilet.
Wait,
I thought it was
Susie.
feeding bowl.
That was a mistake. That was supposed to be for Jacob.
No.
What's in there, Susan?
In a bottle.
Oh, Susie, can you give it a bottle? Can you give your baby a bottle?
There's a hole in there.
Like your mom gives Joseph a bottle. You can give your baby
There's
a
a
bottle.
hole in there, except it's not big enough.
Don't worry about it.
Oh,
Hmm?
That's
Como
powder.
haces reír.
It's
Se
baby
tiene
powder.
de atrás.
Right.
Show to your dad, Susan.
Let's see.
Show it to
Susie.
Daddy.
poor Jacob.
Susie,
Here's mine.
let's see the dome. Let's see the dome.
Here's my mom. Here's my mom.
Have your name on it?
What? Yeah.
Okay.
It says poor Jacob.
Hello?
What did it say?
This is
I don't know.
I pick it up.
I see these. This is small though.
What is that?
Is the baby laughing
Hey,
or crying?
Wow, what are those?
there's something I don't know. I don't know how to do them, but I can't do it.
Well, I guess you can learn.
Is that talking, baby?
These are fun.
What he
He
does?
laughs when you pick her up.
They look like balls.
He's crying, Susie. Those two are supposed to be there.
Oh, wow.
Does that have batteries in it?
I think.
Daddy.
What in the...
Ya están aquí.
Oh,
Vamos a
oh,
abrir
oh.
todos.
Mira que ahorita vas por él.
Vamos a... ¿eh?
Ya vamos por él.
See? The string. Hey, Jacob, I know a kid that got one of those, but he didn't get one for Christmas.
Just us.
I know how to do it.
You can kind of keep the instructions.
Okay.
Here's more instructions.
Wow.
Bye. Mi papá
Nothing.
está esperándote,
I
Pilar.
know. That's because it's a pretend baby. So it has a toy bottle.
See?
Oh.
It's really complicated, Patty.
You can learn to do all kinds of
Now
tricks
we
with
can
that.
do it.
Well,
Hey,
of course
it's
you can,
actually
yeah.
easy.
What is the Chinese one?
I don't know, but it's. I don't know.
You can learn how. It's just like going to
Again.
school. You don't know. It's just like going to school. You don't know it all the first day you go. You have to try.
What's that, Susan? What's that?
Baby's crying. He's crying. Because you know how you do this. Look what you got. A girl.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna go see my
Hey,
presents.
Yeah, so it won't break when you
Yeah.
drop it.
I thought it was a plane.
Susan? Is your baby crying?
Give us a milk, Susie. Hey, where did she push him? Hey, how do you do that? Easy. I'll show you. You see that little hole inside her mouth?
Boy,
You
that
see
turkey
little
smells
hole
good.
inside? It goes inside.
Do you think it's done?
Pick up this bird. I think it's
And when you grow up, Isaac,
No.
you're not.
Oh, you better give that back then.
R-O-N.
What's that?
R-O-N.
Susan.
Your baby. Is your baby crying, Susie? It's not?
Joseph?
Laughing like Joseph.
Laughing? Can it
I
laugh?
have to show you. Guess who's this is? Hey, Joseph's helping Dad open it.
Well, you better put it back down
Susie,
then.
what?
That's
She
clean.
have it.
That's good.
It's
Looks
a
like it's new.
powder.
Yep.
For the baby.
Look what what does this say? Got shirt.
Ooh, that's a fancy one.
Oh, this one's mine.
Oh, it's so cool.
That one's yours. Yeah.
Oh, Daddy.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, Joseph has the funnest part gift of all. Piece of paper. Joseph. Wow. So you can both do it, can't you? Pretty trick that.
Son mis chips.
I didn't ask for that.
These are chips.
These are cards. You got cards? What card? Basketball?
Hello, Merry Christmas.
A ver, Isaac, ven acá.
How are you?
Pero se te
You
estás
are
bien
fine.
mojado.
How are you?
Just fine. Just fine. Oh, it's mine. Oh. Oh, it's mine. I like peanut.
This is
Oh,
mine.
it's mine.
Pilar.
Vas a cocinar.
Slow one.
Now back on?
Huh?
No, por eso vino para
Chico,
acá.
I got a puzzle. And my baby. A dinosaur puzzle. Hey, that's like my other one.
Do you have the same?
No, that's like it. Grandma. Oh, this one's for you.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Santa Claus.
Ah, Santa Claus.
Yes, that's a little one. That's for Grandma.
Can you open it? For Isaac. Grandpa, Isaac, this is yours. ¿Sí puede?
No.
Yo tengo uno también. It's for the Chinese. What do you have? Isaac, this is yours. This is yours. This is yours.
Oh, isn't that pretty?
Whose is it?
Well,
That's
what is
Grandma's.
mine? What is mine?
You got a flower? Isaac, this is yours.
Big flower.
Algo,
This is for
algo muy
Isaac.
blanco y bonito.
Blanco y bonito.
Que te va a servir mucho tiempo.
Can you put